Good evening, my name is Joshua Randall. I'm the Army instructor for the JROTC program. You've already noticed some of my cadets as you walk in the building in uniform as well as the color guard. The JROTC mission is to motivate young people to be better citizens. We are a citizenship program. We take our students to teach some leadership skills, communication skills, some health and PE, some social studies as far as government, and we help our students get through the 4 years of high school. My purpose is to make sure that every one of our cadets, after 4 years, walks across the stage and takes a piece of paper from the principal over there. But it's a little bit more than that. We also want our cadets to succeed after high school. We can help them get into programs such as March to Success, which will help them with college after high school. The career is their goals after high school. We can definitely help them move on in their career. And if they choose to join the military, which is totally up to them, we are not a recruiting tool. 3 years in JROTC equals the promotion in the military right away. If you have any questions about the program, my cadets are more than happy to answer them. I will be room 108 downstairs. If you come down the center stairwell and turn to the left a little bit, you'll see our classroom identified by the JROTC sign next to the door. Hope to see you tonight. Thank you.